Hello everyone, Amir here from Third Eye Surveillance. Today I'm going to show you how to set up facial recognition on your Hikvision DVR. The DVR I'm using today is the AcuSense N-Series, which supports features like facial recognition, motion detection, two-way audio and many more. It's available on our website in 4, 8 and 16 channels. First thing you need to do is to log into your DVR, do a right click, go to menu, then click on configuration. On left hand side, find event, click on it, then click on face recognition. In this page, make sure the right camera is selected, then make sure enable is on. If you want, you can increase or decrease the sensitivity. I'm gonna leave it on 3, then click apply. If you want to get notified on your Hikvision app, go to linkage action and check the notify surveillance center, then do apply. Now if you go to live view, then click on target detection. As you can see, camera already detected my face. If you have any question, visit our website, give us a call, drop us a text, we'll help you. Thank you.